Last night and early in the morning a storm broke out in the northern part of Italy. Heavy rain and strong wind caused floods in the center of Milan. Lake Como came out. According to the Italian Civil Protection Agency, the Seveso River, which runs through the municipalities of Como, Monza, Brianza, and Milan, also came out of its banks. It is reported that some parts of Milan have become inaccessible. According to social media footage, water was pouring down the stairs at the subway station, and pedestrians were falling or clinging to posts during strong gusts of wind. Emergency services had to pump water and install mobile barriers. City Safety Councilman Marco Granelli reported that the wind had knocked down trees, torn down scaffolding and torn the roof tiles. As a precaution, power was cut in several parts of the city while the authorities worked to eliminate the power lines that had collapsed. Torrential rains also affected Tuscany in central Italy. And Venice, according to the mayor Luigi Brugnaro, barely escaped the flood. Strong winds blowing north in the Adriatic Sea raised water in the canals. Combined with the already high tides associated with the full moon, this caused an exceptional tide of water of 154 centimeters. The highest ever tide was recorded in 1966 at 194 centimeters.